Hey, Needlebender 757 here in Boulder, Colorado with another 757 Boulder built amplifier video. This weekend's videos features this nice GI-7B 3-tuber here I built. Beautiful amplifier. Using nothing but the very best of the best parts I can get of. Sourced from all around the world and all over the country. We've got three nice GI-7B Russian tubes over there, sourced from Romania. The sockets are from the Ukraine. These vacuum variable caps here are from Switzerland. Most people use open air variables on something like this. I use a vacuum variable. It just gives you way finer tuning, and it's just a better quality part. These take 16 turns to do the same amount of tuning as your air variable does in one tune. So it gives you a much finer tuning and really allows you to nail it and put it right where you want it. We've got an American-made DC blocker there, made for RF applications, and that's also 15,000 volts rated there. And just good parts in here. This transformer here is from Universal Transformer Company in Texas. Just makes great transformers, you know. It's nice to get American stuff when you can. Capacitors in that capacitor bank there. Those are all European capacitors, some of the best you can get out of Europe. You know, nice rectifier board there. Just the best of the best stuff I can put in here, and just making it clean and tight and right, and just keeping it nice. Got a nice Dayton fan on the back there, keep everything cool. All the proper metering up front, so you keep an eye on everything. Got a variable bias there. Just lots of fun stuff. Let me pop the lid back on so we can be kind of safe about this, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, we've got most of the screws in the lid there. This thing does take a little bit of a warm up, so we'll get that process started. We'll turn it on. That starts the fan and gets the filament warming up. And the filament's pretty close to warm. This light here will pop on telling you it's okay to apply high voltage, and that'll come on in about a minute here. We're going to be driving it with the striker, and the striker audio doing about 100 watts right now. So it's really designed to go with a 100-watt radio, and it'll last forever. I recommend you could put up to 150 watts drive in it, you know, 50 watts per tube. I know people that drive them up to 100 watts a tube and actually put like 4,000 volts on the plate, but their tubes don't last very long. So there's our light telling us that we can apply high voltage. So we're going to do just that, and you can see it slowly rise there in our slow start, and it'll kick over to full voltage here, which is about 2750, and it's pretty much what they recommend for this tube, resting and maybe 2400 operation. But people have pushed them harder. I just feel the longevity goes down. I mean, you can burn through tubes if you like. They are cheap. They range anywhere from like $100 for a set to this thing to 150, depending on what you're doing and stuff. But let's look at our pass-through tube here. Audio, pass-through is good. We'll put her in operate mode. And we'll check our bias adjustment. We've got a variable bias here, and we want to be sitting at about 250 milliamps on the meter here. So let's see what we're at. And that's without any RF going into the deck or any signal. So we're just going to key the amp without anything going through it. And we're right on 250, so that's good. So let's see what we're doing with 100 watts in here with the Striker. Audio test 1 2 1 2 audio. We're doing right at 2 kW, right what it should do. It's just performing great there. These are, like I said, it's a brand new set of tubes in there. I can probably, you know, push this thing up. It'll do probably 2,500 like the last one did if I hit it with 150, but I want to slowly work these tubes in, and they usually, as you work them in, gain a little bit more output. So just going to treat it real nice and probably talk on it right about there for a little bit. Audio 1 2 audio, and get her all broken, and then we'll probably do a follow-up video showing the intermodulation distortion and how clean it is on the scope, and how the waveform is and everything. But hey, just figured I'd share this for the weekend. Been a while since I did a welcome to the weekend video, so here you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a good weekend. Needlebender 757 here in Boulder, Colorado. We're going to get back on the side smoking. See ya.